Next, we're going to be looking at an ion concentration problem. When looking at this, we're going to have to consider a couple of different factors. One, what are our ions actually going to be? We are looking at sodium phosphate, so we are going to first need to have a balanced equation. So I'm going to imagine dropping solid sodium phosphate into water to yield positive sodium cations and negative phosphate anions. Now to balance this, I'm going to see my subscript 3, leading me to have 3 positive cations, and I'm going to only need 1 phosphate anion. Looking at this visually, we can imagine dropping our sodium phosphate into a beaker. And for every time we drop 1 sodium phosphate in, I will get 3 sodium cations and 1 phosphate anion. Thinking about this mathematically, we can develop a ratio. And that's what we're going to use to calculate our concentration. So I'm going to multiply the concentration of the solute I placed in against the amount of ions I'm going to get out of the solution. So that will be multiplying by 3. And that will give me 1.5 moles per liter of sodium cation. Looking at my phosphate, I can go this way times 1 to get 0.5 moles per liter of PO4 3 minus. Most questions will ask you to identify each of these at the end of the equation. And my cation is always my positive, so 1.5 mole per liter, and my anion will be 0.50 moles per liter.